Good evening, everyone. This is Bharatam Praveen Kumar, roll call of 20313. We, the students of Vignan Jyoti Institute of Management, have been assigned a case study in the field of retail management of by our faculty, Dr. Franklin John. Uh, and this case study is all about Big Basket redefining the business model. So here let me introduce my team comprising of 14 members. Introduction and online grocery retailing industry will be explained by me, and Sukesh will explain the inventory based model and hyper local model and mobile app based model, and next will be continued by Maitri with the hybrid model. uh, Big Basket background and philosophy will be explained by Akansh, and operations in Big Basket will be explained by Sharon as well as Rakshita. The prominent companies in the online market will be explained by Nikita, Anusha, and Bhargav. Challenges and opportunities will be explained by Shravanteja and Rohit. The steps will be explained by Saket. New government guidelines will be explained by Atidi, and finally the conclusion will be explained by Sudeshna. So let's go ahead with the first slide, which is introduction about the case study. Yeah, Big Basket was founded in December 2011, and it has its headquarters in Bangalore, India. Big Basket was founded by Sudhakar, Mari Heman, Vipul Prakar, and Abhinav Chaudhary and Ramesh. The type of the company is private, and in February 2021, the Tata Group acquired 64.3% stake in Big Basket for around 9,500 crores. It has been become one of the major players in India online grocery market by the end of the March 2016. The company primarily delivered grocery goods found in stores from essential and food supplies and its customers operating in more than 23 cities across the country. The online market in India has in a phase of development and changes, and India's metropolitan cities lifestyle has been changed. It has additional drawn its numerous business various and who want to be a big part of it. Seriously, rival guaranteed the couple of organizations had options to support themselves or exit the market. On this organization was Big Basket, which is survived through the heavy competition, drawing a serious financing worth of USD 150 billion millions dollars from the United Arab Emirates based Abraj Group in the March 2016. Online basic foods like groceries retails had decision of few plans of actions to follow the inventory based model. The local model, the hybrid model, and mobile app based model. Big Basket with a client base of more than 4 lakhs 50,000 and month to month the request development pace of over 30%, followed by inventory management model. Big Basket was the point faced all the difficulties of developing and growing the business when it comes with some surprising news is like on March 29, 2016. Indian government provided rules of FDI which not being allowed in the inventory managed model of e-commerce business. The new government rules of inventory based models of e-commerce business as important where inventory products were possessed by web-based business and they were offered to the clients straightforward. Given this new turn of business, Big Basket Group needed to access its current plan of action alongside the accessible business openings. In the deciding the risk and plan of action, Big Basket meant to concern with bigger demographic, eventually formulating a business strategy for taking the online grocery business further. Can you change the slide, please? Online grocery retailing industry background. Like India online grocery industry was around USD 100 million in 2015 and was expected to grow USD to 25 billion around by 2020. The online grocery retailing industry saw significant changes in the year 2015 when venturing investments reserves in. A few analysts expected that around 25 organizations got out of subsidizing in 2015, which itself was a point where the capability of online grocery industry has been investors. There is a lot of investors in this sector. The development in the online grocery industry was because of the few factors. One is that like growing population of internet users and e-shoppers, and improved internet access and connectivity, increase in smartphone penetration and mobile shopping, the online trafficking and the packing and like parking problems, heretic work schedules, and desire of consumer and for the comforts of convenience. For the four prominent business models used in Indian online grocery industries, there are major two widely used, adopted by the business model for inventory business based model and the hyper local model. While the inventory based model was capital intensive since it requires large warehouses to stock the goods, the hyper local model offers services through tie-ups with local stores and was seen a variable option by many as their need for capital in this model as much lower. In India, comprises mostly fine-tuned these models to suit their requirements. For example, we'll go with the Big Boss. Initially, they started the business by buying the groceries based on the orders received, and then gradually switched over the inventory based model and established its own warehouse. Uh, Jobnow.com initially used the inventory based model, but later it changed to the hyperlocal model. These are the some examples which change their basic model. And next will be